So, do you want to know how you do the buzz cuts? High skin fade number 2 on top. I'll show you how you do it in the easiest way. This hair is like a nice hair, thick, dark, so has a good shape of the hair. So watch me, I will show you how you do it in the easiest way. First thing, I will set the guideline starting from this corner. Always make sure the lines are equal from both sides before you start. Next step, I will shape everything below the guideline off. Now get your number 2 and shape everything off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can I get my hair back? No. Now grab your shaver, leave just 1 centimeter from here and shave everything below off. Can you see this gap between the super zero and the zero here? This one on the middle? That's what I'm using my trimmer to remove this guideline here. That's it. Can you come back tomorrow to finish off it? Mm-hmm. Next step, open the clipper and jump with 1 centimeter here. Can you see the gap between the 0 and the half here? What I'm gonna do, close the clipper halfway and hit only on the middle. Next one, I'm gonna use number 1.5 level open and one jump with 1 inch here. Next one, number 1 level open and just before the end of the number 2. Last step of the fade, I'm going to use number half level open and I will hit only this line. Once you remove this line, the fade is finished. No, just 00, because he's gonna get like a... No, because his hair is like a afro hair, so he might get pimples. So you don't want to get the foul, the shaver.
Sorry, because I don't speak.
That's right. Because if you use the shaver for him, you know, he might get pimples. So if he doesn't know what's it, don't do it. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, do just 00 because he might get pimples from it. So sometimes with your kind of hair, if we use the shaver, you might get pimples on your skin. That's all right, yeah. Nice one, yeah, isn't it? So now the fade is finished, but after you finish the fade, what do? Shave your hair off. You don't need it anymore, mate. That's it. Fade is finished. You took the picture. Can I shave it off, please? No. Please. How about the front? You want to box it or keep it natural? Natural, yeah? Yeah. With the razor?
Oh, yes.
That's it. You don't need to get any shower. Come on, the fade is easy, mate. Why you want to do it by yourself? Do it by yourself, come on. You don't need me to do it for you every time, come on. How many times I did it for you now? 100 times now? You must be Barber, mate. You must be Barber now. You get your haircut thousands of times, come on. You don't need a barber to do it for you, mate. Come on, it's easy. Do it by yourself.
I need to go only at night time.
Oh, that's a nice fade. Keep him scrolling.
First choice barber.